So today I wanted to record a more detailed analysis for Euro USD. Oh, sorry, for gold, because I think it's in an interesting place, and I wanted to refer. If you want to check more context, check the linked ideas in the description. And yeah, a short disclaimer, this point of view is just based on my strategy. Okay, there are really multiple ways of viewing the market and multiple ways to profit from the market, but you need to understand what your system and your actual entry, your edge is. And if you've backtested it and you know your entries, then you must execute. Yeah, so I'm doing it just to bring attention to some key areas that I'm looking at and why. So a monthly, I will not stop for too long, but it's of course historically bullish. Okay, that's all I need to know for my system. Okay, and recent bullish range, of course, is this one. Of course, is this one. So we are like pretty bullish. So for how long we will stay inside this huge price expansion, I will treat this price action as inside structure. Overall, I will be bullish. Okay. Then weekly is very interesting. Okay, it's very interesting. Based on the way I view structure, again, your way can be different, but for me, the structure was developing in bullish ranges, and the last and most recent, and actually the current bullish weekly range is this one. Okay, so is this one. Price made this huge expansion of price. Yeah, market made this huge expansion, huge move, and then just started to consolidate inside it, making just a lot of inside structure. Yeah, just a lot of inside structure. And what's even more interesting, we had these points that of course everyone is aware of, and now it's very interesting to see what price will do. But even if you are a support resistant trader, then this is your support somewhere here, and you are looking for price to go lower. And for me, these points are just lows to be attacked and this liquidity to be hit. Why? Because I really like this idea of weak and strong hands in the market. So in general, strong hands is are institutions, big players, like retail traders who are in profit, and weak hands, they are in drawdown, like overall. Yeah. And so even if this market will hold this bullish range, the nature of gold is not is not straightforward. Yeah, a gold will not produce like perfect points and then just go and go from them. Usually, it will do something like this. It will produce points, or like in this instance, we had these points, and it will start to accumulate and then make some kinds of manipulations before going higher. Okay, so this is the main reason why I'm more bearish on gold from daily and H4 and 4 hours perspective, because I expect the price to go lower and attack all this liquidity, attack stop losses of weak hands. And I'm not referring to like particular traders, like retail traders, like we. Big institutions and banks, they can also be on the weak side. And so this liquidity will be taken, and strong hands can position, can enter the market somewhere here and then take the price higher. Okay, but I really don't expect the price to do something like this now, especially after this happened, because When this happened, I like wanted the price to go lower and grab the liquidity. And I thought that maybe after this grab, this manipulation, we will be really ready to go and attack these highs, because like overall the price is bullish historically, and overall of course we will go and attack these highs, but now we are not ready to do it. So this is my weekly, okay. This is my general view on weekly. And then on daily, again, check ideas, but during previous three outlooks, I was telling that we are in this big price expansion, this one, okay, so this push, and everything here is inside structure. I was referring to this zone as a potential zone to mitigate and go lower. And actually, something like this price is doing now. The bearish structure on daily is still there, and then on H4 we were bullish for some time, of course, but then we just shifted bearish again, and we shifted bearish again from here. So yeah, I will not like be too detailed, but somewhere from here we shifted bearish and started to print bearish structure. And then I sent this second review saying about this zone for possible mitigation and going short. And then when price reached this liquidity, we discussed together, we discussed this zone for possible mitigation and continuation. To be like completely, yeah. So the price was here, price mitigated, and I said price can go here and then lower, but price just went straight down. And now what's happening? Like daily is bearish, 4 hours is bearish, and what I expect from my system, yeah, I'm not here like someone said, so you are wrong now. I can't be wrong if I'm following this system I've tested, and I don't want to force the market do what I want. Yeah, I mean, I remember times when I was sitting like here and just looking at the market and said, okay, but now gold should go higher. You know, gold is historical bullish. But now I mean, why I should force longs if the structure is really bearish? So for me, the first zone to look for shorts is here, and then if it does not hold, maybe from here, okay. And this is my current bearish range, my current bearish expansion, and I will just look for some shorting possibilities inside, look for market informations. But again, I just know that if I want to go bullish, first of all, I need to break this, like to be completely bullish on daily. And moreover, price will not like reverse in one move. Price needs to show some kind of accumulation. Maybe this is accumulation. I don't know. Maybe it will develop and does something like this, and it will be accumulation. And it will go low. But then I will switch my bias, and I will be more bullish. Of course, you can be bullish like on 5 minutes, 15 minutes. If you see some shifts of structure, but overall it's bearish for me, and that's basically it. So I hope it helps to maybe better understand what I posted before and why I'm looking for bearish side. Yeah, I think I wanted to tell something more, but send me your questions if you have. And yeah, again, overall, I expect this bearish range to hold. And to be honest, I expect the price to maybe even accelerate now. We will have this NFP week. I think this NFP week is a great fuel to just continue bearish structure. Again, I might be like wrong about the bias, but I will not be wrong about my system. And if the price will shift bullish, I will just follow it, and that's all. So yeah, good luck, take care. Thank you very much for your attention. I know it's a long video, but I just wanted to share my thoughts. Bye.